Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A to Z. Yellow color exactly. Brown color. Light green color. Stay with us. The next one is light pink color. Light pink color. White color. White color. Kids, the next one is blue color. Dark green color. The next one is silver color exactly. Dark pink color. Dark pink color. Stay with us. Sky blue color. Purple color. The next one is black color. Now we open the color of black, and the next one is orange color. Orange color. The last one is red color. Red color. First we're using the color of black and writing now alphabet A. A. The next one is B. B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. D. The next one is E. Now we're writing F. The alphabet of G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. The next one is K. Exactly. L for lemon. Stay with us. M. The next one is N. N for nose and for nest. Now we're using the color of orange. Orange color. O. The next one is P. Now we're writing Q. The next one is R. R for rose or for rice. S. T. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V. The next one is W. X. Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.